misfits.
Oh, it even has the little kid car seat thingy. So obviously it's equipped for it. Yeah, thank you.
That was the goal. Get the family back out there on the road. Yeah, so you can get, there is a package that you can get off 360.
My sister-in-law was building, she said,
You guys mind if I climb in the back?
no, go ahead, and we're going to jump out so you can get in.
Oh, you're good. Take your time.
Well, they had, because the doors, they had to. Those doors feel good. I know, I have to take a quick. That is. I'd say you'll probably want to back a little bit.
Yeah.
There's room. That has solidified it right there.
Pretty great, ain't it?
Yeah.
It looks so huge in pictures, but it's actually not that bad. You know what I mean? Like, it's the perfect size.
Yeah. It's not too bulky.
No. And they made the doors like they're not bulky. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like my F-150, the doors are real thick. You know, and these are lightweight.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, nice for taking off. You know.
Yeah.
It's freaking huge.
And they're not on my knee either.
I was about to say, the only thing I would worry about is
Man, this is great.
Did you get 2-1?
Me?
Yeah.
22.
Me too.
Yep.
I waited. I put mine off till 22.
Yep.
You got. I think you get more color options and sound deadening or something like that.
Yeah, different tops too.
Yeah. Everybody's not getting these till late 2021.
Anyway, yeah. Yeah.